Hello guys. So in this lecture we are going to cover in this not in this lecture actually, this is the introduction part only, this first video, and we are going to cover all the theorems. Okay, so this is introduction to network theorems, why we need network theorems. One simple answer to this is, before the network theorems we used to analyze different electrical circuit with KVL and KCL. But the problem is, when the circuit became large and complex, at that condition, only with KVL and KCL we are not able to analyze. So that is why we need some theorems. Those are called network theorems. We'll see. Look, there are 9 network theorems. It can be maybe more than this, but we are going to cover all these same theorem in this series of uh, video. Okay, superposition theorem, Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, reciprocity theorem, and Millman's, and all 9 theorems. Okay, up to maximum power transfer theorem or maximum power position theorem. So most of the theorem applicable on linear circuit. Okay, most of the theorem mainly work when the circuit is a linear circuit. So we'll see what is the condition of linear circuit. Okay, linear property, actually it is the property of an element describing a linear relationship between the input and output. Okay, it describes the relationship between the input and output is linear. Okay, we have some input, then some, its process will give input to one system, and it gives some output. The relation between these two is linear. Okay, it is the combination of linear property, it is the combination of law of homogeneity and law of additivity. Okay, you can see, I think it's a combination of law of homogeneity and law of additivity. In mathematics, a linear map or a linear function fx is a function that satisfies the two properties, additivity and additivity. If what it is, function x plus y is equal to, we can say differently, function x plus function y, that is called additivity. Okay, this one, this additivity. And homogeneity of degree 1, some constant is there multiplied. Okay, we can take out the constant alpha outside from the function. Okay, for all kind of alpha. So for the next lecture we'll discuss superposition theorem and we'll solve question. Okay, after that we'll continue with other theorems. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have come to this channel for the first time, I'll request you to subscribe, so you'll get all the videos whatever I'm going to upload. I will upload mainly depend on basic electrical engineering. Okay, basic electrical engineering. Okay. Good. So bye bye guys.